Good afternoon, 819S. It's a nice day out today. Unfortunately, I had to spend the whole day doing stuff around the house, cleaning and stuff like that. But today I did an oil change on my Tact. Finally, it's got 7,000 kilometers on it. I bought it in December of last year, so a little under a year, and I'm just over 7,000 kilometers. I ride this and I ride the other bikes that I have too. I try to do my oil changes between 3,000 and 4,000 kilometers. That's what I'd like to do, every 3,000 or 4,000 kilometers. The manual calls for 6, so I actually did this one at 6. My first oil change was at 1,000 kilometers. My intention was actually, because it was a brand new bike bought from the dealer, to have the dealer do all the service and maintenance on it. But it's just time. I don't really have time to run to the dealer, wait for them to squeeze me in. Even making an appointment doesn't really work well for me because my schedule changes on a minute-to-minute basis sometimes. So yeah, I did it myself. Oil change on this is pretty simple. There's no oil filter. There's a screen you can clean. But the oil was really clean. It has 7,000 kilometers on it. Last time was 1,000, as I just said. The oil was a milky, like a maybe cafe au lait kind of color. It wasn't really dark black or brown, but it wasn't really, I guess milky isn't quite the color either, because it wasn't really like a whitish color. But it was a decent color. It didn't seem like it was too bad, so I think actually I was alright. I'm going to try to do the next oil change a little bit earlier than this. I used Repsol oil because it has this great spout on it that is easy to fill on the small filler hole on the Genski. So it works out really, really well. Yeah, that's it for this one. If you haven't done any maintenance recently, make sure your bike is fully maintained properly, and then get out there and ride, and always ride safe.